Hello dear students, welcome back. Today let's discuss the problems that we already given in the last class. So I'll be using the textbook for reading the problem. As you already written it in your notebook, you have to open your notebook and listen to that questions. Okay. I'll not be writing in the board. It's about 10 questions. It will take a lot of time if you write and do it. So let me read the first question. A ship is moving at a speed of 56 km per hour. 1 second later, it is moving at 58 km per hour. What is its acceleration? That is the question. See, it's given initial velocity is equal to 56 km per hour. Final velocity is equal to 58, isn't it? 58 km per hour. And now time is given as after 1 second it becomes 58. So time is equal to 1 second. It's asked to find A. What is the equation of acceleration? V minus u divided by t. So the question is, what is A? So we have to mark this like A, question mark. Now equation for A is equal to V minus u by t. See, this is in kilometer per hour. So we have to change it. How to change this? 56 into 1000 divided by 3600, and here it is 58 into 1000 divided by 3600. Why this 3600 come? In order to change hour into second. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. In each second there is, each minute there is 60 seconds. So 60 into 60 is 3600. So we can cancel this one. 56 into 10, 560 divided by 36. So if you divide this, you will get an answer about 15.55. And if you divide this, you will get an answer 16.11. So A is equal to V minus u by t, and so we are substituting the values. V 16.11 minus 15.55 divided by t is equal to 1. So when we substitute the values, here it is meter per second unit. When we substitute the values, we get the answer 0.56 divided by 1. If you subtract this one, we will get 0.56. It's equal to 0.56 meter per second square, as it is acceleration. So we get the answer 0.56 meter per second square. So that is the first answer. Now going to the second question. Moving to the second question. This question we already done, isn't it? A scooter acquires velocity of 36 km per hour in 10 seconds just after the start. Initial velocity is 0, final velocity is 36 km per hour. 36 km per hour equal to 10 meter per second. If we convert it into meter per second, how we convert 36 into 1000 divided by 3600 divided by 10 second. V minus u become 10 by, and t is equal to 10 second, 10 by 10, which is equal to 1 meter per second square. And we already done, so we are not going to that question. Third question. A racing car has uniform acceleration of 4 meters per second square. 4 meter per second square. Now, what distance it will cover in 10 seconds after start? So, after start means initial velocity is equal to 0. What distance will it cover in 10 seconds? 10 seconds. Now, so we have to find S. So the equation for finding S equal to ut plus half a t square. Here u is equal to 0. 0 into t. 0 into t means 0. This term we call 0. Half a t square. Half into a is 4. 4 into t 10 seconds. 4 into 10 square means 100. We can cancel this. 2 into 100, that is equal to 200 meter. So the answer is S is equal to 200 meter. So if you have any doubt, watch this one more time. you will get cleared with the doubt. Equation for finding s is ut plus half at square. Substituting the values, u is equal to 0, therefore the first term get cancelled, and then half into a into t square is 100, t is equal to 10, t square is 100. Then doing that operation we will get the answer 200 meter, right? Now moving to the fourth question. So fourth question, okay, a body starts to slide over a horizontal surface with an initial velocity of 0.5 meter per second. Due to friction, its velocity decreases at the rate of 0.05 meter per second. It is decreasing, okay, right? Minus retardation. How much time will it take the body to stop? Velocity decreases to stop. Stop means final velocity is 0. How much time will it take the body to stop? We have to find t. What is the equation? We have to find t. Equation for a is equal to v minus u by t, or at is equal to v minus u, t is equal to v minus u divided by a. Taking this a to here. Once more, equation for a is equal to v minus u by t. Taking this t to here, at is equal to v minus u. Taking this a to the other side, it becomes v minus u divided by a. Substituting the values, we'll get t is equal to v0 minus 0.5 divided by a is equal to minus 0.05. So this minus get cancelled, 0.5 divided by 0.05. So what is that? We can cut them, it's 10 times. So t is equal to 10 seconds. That is the answer, right? Now to the fifth question. A train. So the fifth question is, a train starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square. 0.2 meter per second square for 5 minutes. T is equal to 300 seconds. 5 minutes equal to 300 seconds. Calculate the speed acquired and the distance traveled. We have to find. So the train is starting from rest. Initial velocity is equal to 0. For 5 minutes, calculate the speed acquired. We have to find the final velocity and the distance traveled before stopping. We have to find s also. So let's do this question. We have the equation s equal to ut plus half at square. So we can first find s. S equal to ut plus half at square. Here u is equal to 0. So we cancel this term. Half into a. Half into a. Half into 0.2 into 300 into 300. So this 0.1. What is 0.1 into 300? That is 30 into 300. 0.1 means dividing by 10. Now what is 30 into 300? We can check. We know 300 into 3. What is 300 into 3? It's 900. So if it is 30, it becomes 9,000. S equal to 9,000 meter, which is equal to 9 kilometer. 9,000 meter means 9 kilometer. Now we can find V. We have the equation V equal to u plus at, u equal to u plus at, and u equal to 0. So we don't want this term, at only we need. 0.2 into 300. What is 0.2 into 300? 300 into 2. What is 300 into 2? 600. If it is 0.2, that means point will come here, which is equal to here 60 meter per second. So final velocity is equal to 60 meter per second and distance equal to 9 kilometer. So that is the fifth question. Now to the sixth one. A bus was moving with a speed of 54 km per hour. On applying brakes, it stopped in 8 seconds. Calculate the acceleration and the distance traveled before stopping. So, moving with the speed of u is equal to 54 km per hour. So, let us change this 54. 54 into 1000 divided by 36. 3600. So, this becomes 540 divided by 36. So, let us do that after this one. It's meter per second. Okay. Now, final velocity, is it given? On applying brake, it stopped in 8 seconds. So, final velocity is 0. T is equal to 8 seconds. Calculate the acceleration. We have to calculate the acceleration and the distance traveled before stopping. So, we have to calculate A and S. We have to calculate A and S. Now, equation for acceleration equal to V minus U divided by T. Here V is equal to 0, 0 minus U is equal to 540 by 36. Let it be so. We can cut this 540 and 36, isn't it? How many times 2's? Here 18. How many times 2? 27. Now 270. Okay. Now again we can cancel. How many 3's are here? 9. So it becomes 90. 9, 18, 27. Here, how many 3's? Okay, 6 3's. And 90 and 60. Again we can cancel. What is 90 by 60? We can cancel. How many 3's here? 3 3's are here. Here 2. So 30 by 2, which is equal to 15 meter per second. 30 by 2 is equal to 15 meter per second. U is equal to 15 meter per second. Instead of U, we have to write this 15. So 0 minus 15 divided by 8. Minus 15 by 8 meter per second. Second square. This is the acceleration. Now we have to find the distance traveled. S equal to ut plus half at square is equal to u. Where is u? U is equal to 15 into t equal to 8 plus half into, what is a? Our a is equal to minus 15 by 8 half into a into t square. T, 8 into 8, half 8t square. 8 into 8, 64. Let us write 8 into 8 itself. So we can cancel 1 8, isn't it? So here it becomes 15 into 8 plus minus 15 into 8 by 2. So what is 15 into 8? We can cancel this 15 into 8 like 15 into 4. What is 15 into 8? 15 into 8, 8 into 5, 40, 0, 120. So this 120 minus 60, which is equal to 60 meter, as it is distance, it is meter. So S equal to 60 meter. So that's the answer. Acceleration is equal to minus 15 by 8 meter per second and distance equal to 60 meter. Okay, right. Now to the 7th question. So if you want to take it down, if any mistakes are there, just pause the video and take down all the notes. Okay. 7th question. A motorcycle is moving with a speed of 5 meter per second, is subjected to an acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square. Calculate the speed of motorcycle after 10 seconds and the distance traveled in this time. Similar type of question. Initial velocity is given 5 meter per second then acceleration is equal to 0.2. So how much? 0.2 meter per second square. Then calculate the speed of motorcycle after 10 seconds. Final velocity we have to calculate. T is equal to 10 seconds. And then distance traveled, S also we have to calculate. Now V is equal to U plus AT is the equation for solving final velocity. U is equal to 5 plus ATA 0.2 into 10. It is 0.2 into 10. 0.2 into 10 means 2 into 10 equal to 20. If it is 0.2, it becomes like this, 10 into 2, 20. So just put a point mark there. 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7. Okay. So 7 meter per second. 7 meter per second is the final velocity. Now we have to find the distance. S equal to ut plus half at square, and here u is equal to 5 into t 10 plus half into a is equal to 0.2 into t square is 100. So this get cancelled, it becomes 0.1. 0.1 into 100 means 10. Okay. 5 into 10, 50. 50 plus 10 is equal to 60 meter. So S equal to 60 meter and final velocity is equal to 7 meter per second. Okay. So hence we finished the 7th question, and now to the 8th question. The brakes applied to a car produce an acceleration of 6 meter per second square in the opposite direction to the motion. Acceleration of 6 meter per second square in the opposite direction. That means it's retardation. If the car takes 2 seconds to stop, t is equal to 2 seconds. After application of brakes, calculate the distance it travels during this time. Okay, final velocity is 0 as it is going to stop. Calculate the distance it traveled during this time. We have to find S. Okay, that much only. So here see, in this question we have two equations for finding the distance. S equal to ut plus half at square, but u is not given here. Or we have the equation v square minus u square equal to 2s. Anyway, we have to find initial velocity, isn't it? So we have to find initial velocity. v equal to u plus at is the equation. Or we can write v minus at is equal to u. So what is v? V equal to 0. 0 minus what is a minus 6 into t equal to 2 equal to u. Minus into minus, that become plus. 6 into 2, 12 meter per second. So u is equal to 12 meter per second. Now we can substitute the values here. S equal to ut plus half at square. Therefore u is equal to 12 into time is equal to 2 plus half into minus 6 into t square is 4. Half into minus 6 into 4. We can cancel this 2 and 6, it becomes minus 3 here instead of minus 6, minus 3. Minus 3 into 4 is 12. 12 into 2, 24. 24 minus 12, which is equal to 12 meter. So the answer is 12 meter. So that's all about the 8th question. Now to the 9th question. A train starting from rest attains a velocity of 72 km per hour in 5 minutes. Starting from rest, the word is included there. So it's easy. U is equal to 0. Final velocity V equal to how much it was? 72 km per hour. It's easy to solve because 72 can be cancelled with 3600. It's 2 times 1. 2 into 1000, 2000 by 100. So it becomes 2 into 10, 20 meter per second. So we converted v into meter per second form. In 5 minutes, so t is equal to 300 seconds. Directly write 300 seconds as it is in minutes. Assuming the acceleration is uniform, find acceleration and distance traveled. We have to find A and S. Acceleration and distance traveled by train. Okay. Now the equation for finding acceleration A equal to v minus u divided by t, where v is equal to 20. 20 minus 0 divided by 300, which is equal to 20 by or 2 by 30. 20 by 300 is equal to 2 by 30. So we have to find it, that is we can write 1 by 15 meter per second square. Okay. Now finding S. S equal to ut plus half at square. U is equal to 0, so this term get cancelled, very easy. Half into A. A is equal to 1 by 15 and t is equal to 300 into 300 t square. Let's cancel this. It becomes 2 times, that is 20. Now before cancelling that, let us do this also. We can cancel this 2, so the remaining is 1. It is 10. 10 into 300 equal to 3000 meter, or it is equal to 3 kilometer. So this is all about the 9th question, and 10th question we already discussed the 10th question, so need not discuss this time. Very easy. Initial velocity is 18 km per hour. When we convert them into meter per second, it will be 5 meter per second. 36 km per hour, when we convert it, it will be 10 meter per second. In 5 seconds, everything is given. Very easy to find. Use the same equations. Already we done that. That's why we are not discussing this time. Okay. So hope this section is clear for you. So when you are watching this video, just pause on some questions. You will be having doubt on some questions. Pause on that question and read it again. For example, this question number 8. Acceleration of 6 meter per second square in opposite direction. If a term like that comes, 6 meter per second square in opposite direction, you have to take minus 6 meter per second square, because it is the opposite direction. That is retardation, that is not acceleration, that is retardation. This thing you have to take care. That is the important point to be remembered while solving this question. Others are very easy, similar methods. Finding acceleration, finding distance, everything is similar. Hope it is clear for you. Just watch the video twice or thrice, to how many times. When you are clear, you can repeat it that much times. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.